I see you, and I just want to thank you all for an incredible morning of birding, okay? This is to say that right here in MacArthur Park in our own neighborhood, think of the incredible variety of birds that we have. And I will tell you this, if I came here alone today, I never would have seen all of the species of birds because you brought them to our attention. So we're stronger when we work together on this. Thank you. But I'm hearing all of you sharing. It was really good. Hi, nice to see you. What do we say to our friends from Los Angeles Audubon Society, from Audubon, California, and from National Audubon Society who joined us today? What do we say?
Thank you.
Thank you. And you have made Bird LA Day 2015 an amazing.
Great job.
A los padres que están aquí, les animo a participar en esta actividad con su familia. En nuestro vecindario hay tantas aves que observar y pueden ver cómo desarrolla la mente de sus hijos. Gracias. Thank you, everybody.